Let's learn the animals' ABCs. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for camel. D is for dolphin. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for giraffe. H is for hippopotamus. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for monkey. O is for octopus. B is for penguin. Q is for quail. R is for rhino. S is for shark. Oh no, the sharks are very, very dangerous. Tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Hello, bye-bye. As you get next week, bye-bye.